those of you asking me how I generate my signals, I will advise you to watch this video to the end because this is really going to help you out. Okay, so this is GainX 1200, and of course, we've been on uptrend right from here, and I'm going to show you exactly how I'm able to achieve this. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel right now so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. And if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. If you have been looking for how you can generate profitable signals, then this is the video you should watch. Okay, so if you remember, a few days ago we actually activated a downtrend signal, and we sold it until we got to this particular spot. We're on 15 minutes time frame, so this actually got to the support zone. It has not been able to break out from there, tried to go back, and of course came back down again, and this time around it gave us the MSS here. Okay, that is market structure break. Okay, it gave us at this point. Okay, when that happened, um it's came back and also broke out from the structure at this point. Okay, it also broke out from the structure at this point, and also we also experienced structural break also at this point. Okay, even as we speak right now. Sorry, this is not the one I want to use. Okay, so and that has been happening over and over. So personally, because of this MSL that has been broken and the structure broken, and it shows that this has actually given us, I mean, it is switching back into an uptrend. Okay, so we actually came in at this point, even though we got the entry signal earlier, okay, from here. Okay, so we came in somewhere here and had our stop loss at this spot. Okay, we came in earlier because of our trading tool. Our trading tool has actually detected that right from the beginning. Okay, so we're able to come in right from there. So this happened to be our first TP, which we achieved easily. So after giving us the MSS, that is our market structure shifts rather, well, the market structure shift, then we were able to highlight more TPs. Okay, TP1 to, I mean TP2, 3, and this is the final TP. We are hoping that it will get to this region. That is why I changed the color, because this is where this should be the major target. But if it gets here, then it's going to be a win-win for each and every one of us. So this is still basically on uptrend, just the way we are seeing it. Okay, so we are going to be checking out other assets too, but from what we are able to learn from here, you can see that the trend trading strategy really works, and we just need to do a few confirmation in order for us to have a long trading opportunity like this. Because if you should check it out, the reason for picking this as our last TP, if I should draw my trend line, then definitely you will notice that it's all started from there. So I am hoping that it get there easily. Okay, however, we are in huge profit even as we speak right now. Okay, so that is it. So now let's see more. Okay, this is GainX 999. GainX 999 had also been on uptrend using the same trade strategy, and it has been on uptrend for a very long time, having major pullbacks in between. Right now it has gotten to the resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there, and you can see it selling. Okay, but there is no major setup for it at the moment, because I am actually expecting it to go back up and come back and give us the MSS. Okay, so once it gives us the MSS, then we can now say, okay, how far this is going to go. This is just to confirm, to have a double confirmation before we go fully into it. That is it, or else we can be trapped in a trade like this, trying to sell, not knowing that it will later on buy, and of course put us in negative if we didn't close it. Okay, so that is it. So this is also another one. This is Paynex 1200, and this is going on at the moment. Okay, so we had our MSS somewhere here. Okay, around here. Okay, and of course you can see getting into this region and having a pullback, okay, and going back above this, giving us BOS, okay, at this point. And after that, got to this region, add another pullback again, and it's about to give us another BOS. That is why I am most of these things happen in the night actually. So right here, for those of us who are yet to set up our trade and putting our entry point at the spot, and of course adding our stop loss right here. Sometimes it can go back and hit the stop loss. It happens like that once in a while, okay. And our first TP, second TP, third TP, even though I am expecting it to get to this region. This is going to be our final TP, but easily, if it gets here, I think we are good. Okay, so that is it. So this is a kind of win-win opportunity for each and every one of us. You can see that it is still the same trend trading strategy that we are applying right here. And once you get it right, then you will be able to milk the markets easily, just the way we are doing it right here. Okay, so that is just it. Okay, so this is another one, Paynex 999. Okay, Paynex 999 had actually been on downtrend, and if you think that this is on uptrend, then you might be getting it wrong. It had been on downtrend right from here after breaking out from the MSS, giving us the MSS at this point, got to this region, and of course gave us a major pullback. Okay, after the pullback came back up again, came back down again to give us another BOS at this point. Okay, as you can see, full body BOS, and it went back down again, and of course gave us another full body BOS at this point again. Okay, you can see that, guys. So right now it is going back down, and of course we this is also we are hoping that this is going to be a pullback, so we are expecting it to come back down and break out from this section. Okay, and if that happens, that means it is still going to sell more. But if it does not, then definitely it's going to give us MSS, and at that point we will know that this is going to buy at that point fully. Okay, so right now, if it is done with this pullback, we are expecting the sell signal in order for us to sell at least till it get to this region and even more. Okay, so that is it. So it is as simple as that. This is the power of trend trading strategy. Once you understand the trend, I can assure you, you will be able to milk the market for a very long time. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.